So you want to make a film. Awesome! First you'll need to come up with an idea. Take your idea and flesh it out into an outline of the overall beats. Once you figure out a structure you're happy with, write a script. On average, 1 page of script equals 1 minute of film. Write it and rewrite it until you're happy with it. Show it to a friend or 10 to make sure your story's clear. Once the script's finished, you can find actors, crew members, and locations. As far as equipment goes, at minimum you'll need a camera and a microphone. There are a billion options and combinations, so find something that looks good but won't break the bank. Lights are great too, use them. Now you can start production. This is the easy part, not really. Film your scenes. Capture great performances, hilarious jokes, badass martial arts, whatever your film's about. If you're Jackie Chan, they'll be all 3. Get lots of coverage. You'll always wish you had more footage to work with later, so make sure you get shots of everything you could maybe possibly need. Don't be a dick. Filmmaking should be fun, nobody wants to work with an asshole. Once you've wrapped, go out and celebrate. Now that you have your footage, you can move on to post-production and start editing. Cut the scenes together in an interesting way, and above all else, make it entertaining. Add music, sound effects, titles, credits, visual effects, color correction, and congratulations, you did it! Your film is finished. Now, cut a trailer, make promotional content, spread the word, submit it to festivals, post it online, and last but not least, figure out how you can expand it into a massive cinematic universe. Thanks for watching!